In our evolving education landscape, it's more important than ever that we give students, educators, and caregivers access to high-quality instructional materials. I'm really excited to share Amplify Reading with you. It's a digital literacy program that teaches students how to read through the power of compelling storytelling.
These goblins ask for the silliest things.
And a personalized, adaptive learning path that supports them through practice and instruction in reading. The program was designed for both in-classroom and out-of-classroom use, which makes it perfect for right now. It is so easy to use at home and in hybrid learning scenarios. The program gives educators visibility into how students are performing in the program with insights into real-time data about student performance. And students love Amplify Reading. When they start, they meet a Curioso, a customizable companion who's going to grow alongside them on their journey to become readers. And their Curiosos will grow, matching their own development, and they'll be rewarded for the effort they put into learning to read.
Some bad ones.
Wow.
And best of all, the program works. We see really great results with students using Amplify Reading across the country. I hope you'll join me in building the next generation of strong, confident readers who really love to read.